Hey guys, today I will be sharing a wholesome gluten-free Makki ki roti recipe, also known as corn flatbread. It is highly nutritious for the one who wants to eat healthy and lose weight. So let's dive into the recipe. In this video, you will get to learn how to make roti soft and easy to roll with belen, also known as rolling pin. In a mixing bowl, add 1 medium finely grated carrot, 1/4 cup grated red bell pepper, 1/3 cup finely chopped spinach, 1/4 cup grated onion, 1 teaspoon ajwain or carom seeds, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon garam masala, green chili as per your preference, and thoroughly combine all the ingredients. So here I have measured 1 cup whole rolled oats. You can use instant oats as well, and blend it into a fine flour. So in goes 1 cup oats flour and 3 cups yellow corn flour, also known as maize flour. Combine until veggies are coated with flour. Now here is an important tip to make roti soft and you can easily roll with belen, also known as rolling pin. So for that you need to use boiling hot water to make a dough. Remember, it should be boiling hot water. So to make a dough you will need around 3 to 4 cups of hot boiling water. You need to add little water at a time in a flour mixture and stir with the help of the back side of the spoon. Continue the process until flour mixture starts to come together. So here is the required dough consistency. It should not be too dry or too sticky. You should be able to easily form a ball out of the mixture. At this point you can start forming a dough. If you feel that the mixture is dry, add hot water, and if the mixture feels wet, add corn flour to adjust the texture of the dough. Once the dough is ready, transfer onto a flat surface and knead the dough until nice and smooth. Add 1 teaspoon of cooking oil and knead for another 2 minutes. Sprinkle corn flour onto a working surface. Roll the dough into a large ball. Use your hand to press it down into a flattened circle and gently roll out the dough into a thin sheet. Heat pan on medium to high and place the Makki ki roti. Cook for 30 seconds and flip it over. Then spread half a teaspoon ghee on the flatbread. And once the bottom is a little golden brown, flip it over and again half a teaspoon ghee on the top. Now cook both the sides for 30 seconds each. And to keep the Makki ki roti soft for a longer period of time, transfer into a hot pot. And Makki ki roti can be enjoyed with plain curd and homemade pickle, or can eat with sarson ka saag. You can eat Makki ki roti for breakfast or lunch. That's all for today. See you in my next video and don't forget to subscribe to Callie's Kitchen.